Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I am back with a quick unboxing here from Louis Vuitton. Firstly, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who reached out to me over the last week and a half. I did have a quick hospital stint in emergency due to old injuries from my past. My car accident have just shown their face again, so we're kind of back to square one, having to sort of deal with some health, but I luckily have my family around me and all my loved ones, and that's just all that matters. That's all that matters in life in this crazy year, is that, you know, you have your loved ones and you have support and friends and people like you guys who just reach out, and it just means the world. I think I'm going to call this video the one that got away. That is a hint to what is in this shopping bag. So here's the shopping bag, and here is our beautiful box. Here is the proof of purchase. I will share the price with you and let's get into it. I just love these size boxes. It's just like a perfect square. Should totally give it away. So here we go. Here is the dust bag. Louis Vuitton. Ooh. It's back. It is back in my life. Oh my gosh. If you have followed my channel, I have to say that. If you followed my channel, you'll know that I had this bag. Yes, correct. It was the first Palm Springs backpack of any of the sizes that I purchased. New from the boutique in Sydney, the Maison, on my birthday. They had this on the mannequin and I was like, is that the mini backpack that's just being released in the reverse? And he was like, yeah, it's actually the only one we have. I was like, I'll take it. Mum was like, what is that? It's like a child's baby's backpack. I digress. In the unboxing, I say that. Returned it and got the PM size. I was like, it's way too small for me. And then regret set in. As soon as I realized I did love reverse monogram and it took me a minute to get used to it, regret set in, and it set in hard. I got the chance to get my hands on this beautiful backpack again. Let me give you a nice little shot of it. So it is in the all over reverse monogram, as you can see, and then just the front pocket is in classic monogram, and it looks perfect. It looks so perfect. I feel like these new Palm Springs with the exposed zipper are just, I don't know if they're just like really focusing when they're come through. I do it every video, but come through. Guys, I almost want to recall all of your older style Palm Springs and gift you out this zipper just so you can feel how amazing it is, because they should have just recalled them. I know a lot of you agree with me when I said that. I think in my what's in my bag. So here is all the straps down inside. It comes with the 4. This says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, stamped on the little leather back there. You have the textile card and no little booklet, but there is the interior. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. So let's show you a little comparison. I know, crazy. So here is the all over monogram, which I was able to score as well. And now this guy came up. It's now just become a little overboard here in the backpack situation. And if you did watch my what I got for my birthday video, a lot of you were like, oh my gosh, keep the new Montsouris PM. It looks so great on you. Thank you so much. I did in turn return it to Louis Vuitton. I just know in my heart of hearts that this layout of a zipper at the front is perfect for me and my lifestyle. The top with the drawstring, I just know, you know, I wanted to try it on. I wanted to see how it went. The size is so much better for me. So a PM is so much better for me. And here I am holding 2 mini just to give you a nice little eye candy there. Here is the monogram again, and this is reverse monogram in the mini size in the new exposed zipper, which is fantastic. And this one that I did show you in that video, my birthday video, I have been wearing it with just the one straps, but these are how the straps come. So when I said it comes in two portions, you have one here and then you have the longer here. This makes it a very long backpack, and I'm a tallie, but it's quite low on me. So you take off the extension altogether and then you thread it through and push it back on itself, so you don't have this extra piece. And it's easier if you want to wear it as backpackers that way, or you can have it as a, you know, like a handbag crossbody style, which is what most people do. But wow, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Some of you might ask me, oh my God, are you gonna part with one then? Are you gonna part with this one? I think I'm just gonna sit on it. Listen, these are so hard to come by that I'm not just gonna act on a whim like I did the first time. I'm just gonna sit on it and see what I think. This is it next to my Pochette Matisse, which is what I'm using right now. Sorry about the strap. So there we go. Gorgeous. So yay, it is really, really beautiful, guys. Like, I just feel like they're making them a lot better. A lot better. So what do we think? It's back in my life. This little thing is kind of wonky. Wow. So that is my quick unboxing for today. I just wanted to show you guys that I had got my hands back on it. I know, right? It's kind of a bit of a situation. Okay, so let's share a price with you guys for the Palm Springs Mini in the reverse M44872. This comes in Australia for $3,150. So it's $50 more expensive than the regular? I think so. $3,100 I think is this one, so it's $50 more. I'm not gonna lie, the PM has been sitting in my wish list on Louisvuitton.com for a good week now. It has, and it's add to cart. It's quite, you know, it's that, you know, size where you can add it to cart. It's probably a lot more in stock than these minis are. They are so hot. They're rarely sort of add to cart. When you see it come up and you really want to jump on it, it's kind of like a Pochette Matisse. It's kind of like the bum bag. It's kind of like a Pochette accessories. All those items just are hot. Yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys and show you that I got my hands on it again. It was the one that got away, okay? The one that got away. So quickly, I do want to add on the end here of this video that yes, I was super devastated, but Instagram doesn't want me doing giveaways anymore. I am trying to work out how to do my Nano Speedy giveaway here on YouTube. I just want to give it away to you guys. It's, you know, such a sought after bag, and I want to give it away to you guys. So I'm working on that. I will keep you posted. I think I'll still do it like when Instagram reaches 200,000, because here it's completely different. Like it's a completely different scale in which, like, I'll be like, when we reach 200,000, it'll be like 5 years. I'm working on it. Stay tuned, but I do want to give it away to you guys. Again, thank you so much for your love and support about my health. I hope everybody else is doing really well and staying safe out there. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.